Can you solve this math challenge? Here's the question. Given this equation x cubed minus 69x plus 69 equals 0, then our goal is to find the value of a over b plus c plus b over a plus c plus c over a plus b, wherein a, b, and c are the roots of this cubic equation. Now you can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. And now, let's answer this question together. Alright, so given this cubic equation, we have x cubed minus 69x plus 69 equals 0. And also given its roots a, b, and c, then our goal is to solve for the value of a over b plus c plus b over a plus c plus c over a plus b. Now, to answer this question, what we're going to do is to use one theorem, which is the Vieta's formula for cubic equation. Now, if we have f of x equals ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d is a cubic equation with the roots alpha, beta, and gamma, then the sum of roots alpha, beta, plus gamma must be equal to negative b over a. The sum of the product of the roots alpha times beta, alpha times gamma, plus beta times gamma equals c over a, and the product of the roots alpha, beta, gamma equals negative d over a. Or we can use this generalization. If the sum and product of the roots are given, then the cubic equation is given by, we have x cubed minus sum of the roots times x squared plus sum of the product of two roots times x minus product of the roots, then equals 0. Now we can use this concept because take note that we don't have x squared term in our cubic equation. The coefficient of x squared must be the sum of the roots of this cubic equation. Now this is very important. Now we know that the sum of the roots of this cubic equation must be equal to 0, so we can say that a plus b plus c must be equal to 0. Now, this is all we need to answer this question. Alright, so let's have the expression that we want to evaluate. Now, we know a plus b plus c equals to 0, so we get this one. And then let's subtract a on both sides. If we do that, we get the value of b plus c must be equal to negative a. So we can replace this b plus c with negative a. Alright. Now, using again this given equation that the sum of the roots must be equal to 0. And then now, let's subtract b on both sides. So we have the value of a plus c must be equal to negative b. So we have a plus c on this denominator, so we can replace this with negative b. And for the last time, we know that the sum of the roots equals to 0, so why not subtract c on both sides? So this will give us the value of a plus b must be equal to negative c. So we can replace this a plus b with negative c. Now, we are now ready to simplify this expression. Because a over negative a, this will give us negative 1. b over negative b, again, it is negative 1. And c over negative c, again, is negative 1. So you have negative 1 minus 1, or simply equal to negative 3. And that is the answer to this question. Therefore, given this cubic equation, x cubed minus 69x plus 69 equals to 0, then the value of a over b plus c plus b over a plus c plus c over a plus b must be equal to negative 3. And as always, we are done.